Okay guys, good morning. We're going to go ahead and go over the science lesson for today, okay? So open up your science course, and in your science course you're going to go again to Spring Online Learning, and this time you're going to open up Thursday Online Learning, okay? The first thing, just like we always do, we go through the district curriculum, which will be Coralville's website. Come on down to Coralville at Home Learning. Click on 5th grade. And you're going to go to the lesson plan. Okay? So today is Thursday, so we're going to be doing lesson 4. So we'll go into the science section. And we'll come down to lesson 4. 444, where are you? There we are. Okay, so today you're going to be going through lesson 4, which is taking a closer look at food webs. And the first thing you're going to do is you're going to watch the video, the crash course video for kids over food webs, okay? And like normal, there's always a quiz at the end. Make sure you send your teacher your score through a message on Schoology, the little envelope at the top of the page, okay? This we've done before, so this should you should have no problem with. Now this right here, the read part, is a little bit different for us. So it says Max Axiom Super Scientist Section 3 Food Webs. I know this is an active link, but if you use this link, it's going to take you where you have to log in and a lot of different steps. However, if you come down here and click on this link, it's going to take you straight to this page. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to click on Capstone, and it'll say Open Now. Now, when you click on Capstone, you're going to see this page. And what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to come up here and search for books, because it's going to be a lot faster to do it this way. So you're going to type in Max Axiom, and that's all you have to type in, and then click Enter. And all of the Max Axiom books are going to come up. Now, when you scroll down, you're going to go all the way to the bottom of the list, and you're going to see food chains. So right here, Max Axiom food chains. I know in the lesson plan it says food webs, but it's food chains. So you're going to click on the book, and then up here it gives you the option to play the book. So you'll click on that, and then you can read the book page by page, or you can read the book all at once. Up to you. Whichever one you want to do, that's perfectly fine. Okay? All right, so we're going to, once you do that, you're going to come back here to your science course. Where am I? Let's see. Let's go back to the science course. Sorry, guys. We'll get there soon. No worries. Nope, I'm not even going to the right place. I'm sorry. All right, we're going to the science course. So you'll come back here, and let me just get back into that Thursday folder. And after you read the book, you're going to go to the discussion piece. So in the discussion piece, it says, answer the following questions after you have read or listened to Max Axiom, food chains. I know that it says in the lesson plan that the book is food webs, but it is food chains. Be sure to answer the questions in complete sentences. So make sure you're answering these questions in the comments. And again, just like Ms. Carr said, if you want to, instead of typing your answers, you can record your answer using this microphone. Now, I'm not going to be able to right now because I'm using the microphone already, but all you have to do is click the microphone and start talking, and it will record your answers. And you can post that also, and we can hear that too. So you can do either one. Just like she said yesterday, you can type or you can speak, and either one would be okay. All right? So that is that part of the lesson. So let's go back to the science lesson, and that was Max Axiom, okay? And then the discussion questions are in your discussion piece. Now you've got these two last things to do, and in the practice and extend, it's make a food chain mobile. So you can make a mobile, and that's kind of cool. It's art, it's fun. And what you're going to be doing is you're going to be making a food web mobile to demonstrate the concept of the flow of energy through a food chain. discuss the connections of the different food chains and how they make a food web. So these are the materials you're going to need. Now let's take a look at the example that they give you. So at the very bottom of the food chain, they've got the sun, because the sun is the source of energy for everything that's living, okay? And as you go up the food chain, for example, you've got your producer right here. So your producer gets its energy from the sun. So whatever's below the object is what gives it energy. So the sun gives the producer energy. The producer gives the mouse energy. The mouse gives the snake energy, and the snake gives the hawk energy. So, and then at the top of the food chain is your decomposer or your bacteria, which brings it right on back down to the bottom again, okay? So that is how a mobile is made. And if you want to do that, you can. You don't have to. It's just an option for you, okay? And then finally, the STEM Scopes post-assessment. This you should do, okay? And when you click on it, it's actually a page you can print. And you can print it, and you can show your answers on a piece of paper, or you can print you could print the page and do the answers on the page, or you can just get a piece of paper and answer your questions on a piece of paper. But or you can go into STEM Scopes and it is assigned for you, and it will say, let's see, nope, right here. So we're going to go back to the Thursday Online, and right here it says STEM Scopes post-assessment from 5.9b with food webs. In today's plan, you're supposed to take the post-assessment for food webs. In the plan, you can either print the pages provided for you, or you can just view the page and write your answers on a sheet of paper, or you can take the post-test through your STEM Scopes dashboard. I'm also providing the answer key for the post-assessment if you decide that you do not want to do it through the dashboard. So down here, I've got the answer key for food webs post-assessment. So you can click on that, and here are the pictures with the answers. Just make sure that when you're checking your work, you are checking the right picture with the right answer, because this question may not be number 1. You just have to make sure you look and make sure you're using the right picture for the right question. Okay? As always, make sure that you are reading carefully, you're answering your questions in complete sentences, and if you have any questions, like always, just leave a comment for us or send us a message through Schoology, and we will get back to you as soon as we can. Okay? Have a great day. Bye.